Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 38. The central bank can reduce the ability of commercial banks to give out loans by A. Raising the bank rate, B. Reducing special deposits, C. Reducing the liquidity ratio, D. Issuing more currency. Now, amongst the options given to us, the measure that is usually taken by the central bank to reduce ability of commercial banks to give out loans is option A, raising the bank rate. Now, bank rate is the minimum rate of interest charged by the central bank for discounting bill of exchange. If it increases, loan to the public reduces, and vice versa. Okay, so this bank rate is a rate of interest charged by central bank for bill of exchange. Now, if it increases, the loan to public reduces, and if it reduces, the loan to public increases. So the government, or the central bank rather, okay, whenever they want to reduce the ability of commercial banks to give out loans, one of the measures they take amongst the options given to us is to raise or increase the bank rate, and as we have rightly established, it reduces loan to public. So option A, raising the bank rate, is the correct answer to this question. The remaining three options are not linked to reducing the ability of commercial banks to give out loans. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.